Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Hot Wheels kit is probably one of the most exciting and versatile toy sets available for young car enthusiasts, offering a fantastic blend of creativity, action, and imaginative play that can keep children engaged for hours on end, making it a standout choice for anyone looking to spark a child's interest in building and racing. Number 5. Hot Wheels 20 Car Pack. Get an instant collection with this Hot Wheels 20 Car Pack. It's a fantastic way to start or expand your toy car collection. Each vehicle is crafted in a 1-hour 64-minute scale, featuring authentic styling and vibrant, eye-catching decals. They look just like the real thing. This set of 20 cars offers an amazing variety of vehicles to choose from. You'll find something for every car lover. With 5 cars together, imaginations are unleashed for exciting push-around play and cool displays. The possibilities for fun are endless. These make a great toy for kids and car enthusiasts of all ages. You'll want to collect them all. It arrives in frustration-free, easy-to-open, and 100% recyclable packaging. Perfect for gifting, you can even select gift-ready packaging at checkout. What we like. This pack is an instant collection, offering a huge variety of vehicles right out of the box. If you're looking for a quick way to expand a Hot Wheels collection or need a large number of cars for party favors, this is the perfect choice. It provides immediate playability and display options for enthusiasts of all ages. What people say. The Hot Wheels kit is a fantastic addition to any car enthusiast's collection, offering a wide variety of highly detailed and accurately scaled models. The build quality of the Hot Wheels kit is exceptional, with durable materials and precise assembly that ensure longevity and playability. This Hot Wheels kit provides endless hours of entertainment, featuring smooth rolling wheels and realistic designs that capture the essence of each vehicle. Number 4. LOVEVOOK 17.3-inch Laptop Backpack. Introducing our enhanced laptop backpack, designed for your daily work or college needs. It features a spacious main compartment and a separate, organized laptop section. Thanks to its Dr. Bag-style opening, you can easily see and grab everything inside. It's crafted from high-quality polyester with reinforced stitching for durability. Travel with ease using the suitcase strap and keep valuables safe in a hidden back pocket. Plus, stay charged on the go with the built-in USB charging port. This bag offers ample storage with multiple zipped pockets and sections, perfect for all your work essentials, business needs, or travel items. Whether you're a professional, student, or traveler, this backpack is designed to meet your needs. It's an ideal and practical gift for teachers, nurses, and doctors. What we like. This bag offers a doctor's bag-style opening for easy access and organization, along with a convenient USB charging port for on-the-go power. If you're a professional, student, or frequent traveler who needs to keep your devices charged and your essentials easily accessible, this is the ideal companion for your daily commute or trips. What people say. The Hot Wheels kit includes a variety of track pieces that allow for creative building and endless racing possibilities. The cars included in the kit are durable and perform well on the tracks, offering a smooth and exciting racing experience. Assembly of the track is straightforward and intuitive, making it easy for kids to set up and start playing quickly. Number 3. Hot Wheels Track Builder Unlimited Loop Kicker Pack. Get ready for endless racing and stunting fun with our innovative track builder system. It offers unlimited experimental building and boosting challenges. This pack adds exciting loop acceleration to your stunts. It provides the extra momentum needed for thrilling races and even bigger challenges. Setting up is a breeze, and it features a simple folding mechanism for easy storage. You can be ready for action in no time. This set comes complete with a classic 1-hour 64-minute scale vehicle. It's everything you need to start building and racing right away. Connect it with other sets and packs to create your own original track builds. The possibilities for customization are endless. Give the gift of creativity and fun. It's an ideal present for ages 6 and older, encouraging imaginative play and problem solving. What we like. This track pack adds exciting loop acceleration to your Hot Wheels builds, perfect for creating bigger stunts and races. If you love experimenting with track designs and want to add an extra thrill to your existing Hot Wheels track system, this is a must-have for endless creative play. What people say. The Hot Wheels kit is a fantastic addition to any car enthusiast's collection, offering a wide variety of iconic vehicles. The detail on each car in the Hot Wheels kit is impressive, with accurate paint jobs and realistic features. This Hot Wheels kit provides hours of fun for both kids and adults, encouraging imaginative play and creative racing scenarios. Number 2. LOVEVOOK Laptop Backpack with USB Port. Never worry about a dead phone again. This backpack features a convenient USB port, allowing you to easily charge your devices while you're on the move. Just connect your power bank inside, and you're ready to go. Tired of clutter? With over 26 pockets and multiple compartments, this backpack keeps all your essentials neatly organized. From your laptop and tablet to your water bottle and umbrella, everything has its place. Your valuable devices are safe and sound. It has a dedicated, padded compartment designed to protect your 17.3-inch laptop and a separate slot for your 9.7-inch iPad, ensuring maximum security. Navigate airports with ease. The integrated luggage strap slides over your suitcase handle, and a hidden back pocket keeps your valuables secure from pickpockets. It's designed to fit perfectly as a carry-on. Built to last and designed for comfort. Crafted from water-resistant fabric, it protects your belongings from spills and light rain. Padded shoulder straps and back panel ensure a comfortable carry, even with heavy loads. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This versatile backpack is ideal for professionals, students, and travelers alike. It's a practical and stylish present that will be cherished and used daily. What we like. With an impressive 26 pockets and dedicated compartments for laptops and tablets, this backpack excels in organization and protection. If you're a teacher, nurse, or professional who carries a lot of gear and needs to keep everything neatly arranged and protected from the elements, this is the ultimate work and travel solution. What people say. The Hot Wheels kit is a fantastic addition to any car enthusiast's collection, offering a wide variety of detailed and accurately scaled models. The build quality of the cars in the Hot Wheels kit is exceptional, with durable materials and precise assembly ensuring they can withstand play. This Hot Wheels kit provides hours of entertainment, whether for display or for imaginative play, thanks to its diverse range of vehicles and accessories. Number 1. LOVEVOOK Laptop Backpack Purse. Introducing the LOVEVOOK Laptop Backpack Purse, a perfect blend of style and functionality. It's designed to meet all your daily needs with elegance. Crafted from high-strength, tear-resistant, and waterproof Oxford cloth, this backpack is both soft and lightweight. Its exquisite craftsmanship ensures durability and comfortable wear. With a generous 30L capacity and dimensions of 19 by 13.3 by 7.9 inches, it easily holds a 17-inch laptop and items for a 3-day trip. Its 18 pockets keep everything neatly organized. Experience ultimate comfort with ergonomic, breathable mesh shoulder straps. The dedicated laptop compartment features thickened EVA foam padding and a shock-resistant strap for superior protection. Designed for convenience, it includes a secure back pocket for valuables and a luggage strap for easy travel. Stay connected on the go with the integrated USB charging port. Whether for work, college, or travel, this backpack is your ideal companion. It offers ample space, smart organization, and convenient charging, all in a stylish package. What we like. This backpack combines a lightweight feel with a generous 30L capacity and 18 well-organized pockets, making it perfect for daily use or short trips. If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and highly functional bag for college, work, or travel that can hold a 17-inch laptop and all your essentials without feeling bulky, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The Hot Wheels kit is a fantastic addition to any collection, offering a wide variety of vehicles with intricate details and realistic designs. This kit includes several exclusive models that are not available anywhere else, making it a must-have for serious collectors. The quality of the die-cast metal is excellent, ensuring durability and a premium feel for each car in the set. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.